Hey teachers, this is the instructional guide for Primary 3, Term 1, Week 5. And this week we're going to move on to word problems, 2 booklets. First booklet is a much simpler multiplication division word problems, typically involving only one step. So let's just start with, I would say skip all these questions and move on to page 5 and start by demonstrating how to do question 3. Angie and Zing had 48 stems altogether. So the way that we teach students, right, again, just a reminder, is to draw sentence by sentence. But since this doesn't say much at the moment because it's comparison, right, and we can't draw it yet, we need to make use of the next information, which is this one here. Angie had 5 times as many stems as Zhi-Ying. So check student understanding, right? Angie had 5 times as many stems. So who has small? NG is small, right? And then so NG will be a longer bar model, but in this case, it says 5 times. So 5 times means you draw 5 units, right? Or 5 squares or rectangles, right? But emphasize that it is that it needs to be proportionate, right? Same size, because these are all equal parts. So show them how to add on 4, right? If they draw from scratch, of course, they need to draw in 1, NG 5. Okay, then we can do the labeling. They have 48 altogether. That means altogether 48. Now, how many units equals 48? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units equals 48. And for this kind of bar model, right, it's always about finding a value of 1 unit. If 6 units is 48, 1 unit is 48 divided by 6. 1 unit equals 8. So let's look at the question, right? How many stems did NG have? NG has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. So 5 units times 8 units. Sorry, 5 units times 8, because 1 equals 8, so equals 40. NG had 40 stems. Okay, now might want to make use also of this opportunity to show them. Actually, wait. Yeah, no, I think we better stay focused. I beg your pardon. So let's look at question B. NG then gave 25 stems to her brother. How many stems did she have left? So this is step 2. So she has 40. No need to draw bar model for this, but basically she has 40. She gave 25. 40 minus 25 equals 15. Okay, skip this question. Okay, now get them to do question 1 on their own, right? Because they've already demonstrated. So get them to see whether they can do it on their own, right? If they can, I think that's fine. Otherwise, guide along. If they cannot, do another one, question 2. Otherwise, you can skip question 2. Okay, so just check whether they can do this on their own. Guide them. If they cannot, do another practice, question 2. Okay. Then we move on to question 5. Madam Rani bought desserts for a party. Okay, she got 6 packs of jellies, which cost $3. And then some types of ice cream, which cost $9. She spent as much money on the ice cream as she did on the jellies. How much did Madam Rani spent on the jelly? So first of all, right, get to understand 6 packs. 6 packs means 6 groups. 6 groups also means 6 units, right? 6 boxes, right? These are always, in a way, synonymous terms, okay, of jellies. So hence they need to draw 6 packs, 6 groups. And how much does each pack cost? Right, cost $3 each. So this is how they label it, right? So take them step by step, okay? And what's the question? They need to find how much, right? So how much means this portion here, the question mark. Then write the equation. So it would be 6 pack, 1 pack $3, 1 unit equals $3, 6 units equals to 6 times $3 equals $18. Now question B is, how many types of ice cream did Madam Rani buy? So we know that she spent $9 on 1 tub. So you get them, show them. So I tell them that this is about finding how many groups, right? Because it's asking how many types of ice cream. So how many groups, right, means that we don't know how many groups. So we need to use this dotted line thing, right? That's what is shown in the diagram, dotted line, right? And we know that each of this group or each tub is $9. Everything else, everything altogether is 18. All right, so the idea is to find out how many boxes or how many groups. So it will be $18 divided by $9 equals 2. All right, now some would write answer is $2, right? Take note, it's $18 divided by $9, right? So there are two $9 into $18. That means that there are 2 types of ice cream. Okay. Take them to question 6, because question 6 is a bit different. It starts off by doing 2 steps. They have to do subtraction first before they draw the bar model. Okay. Let's see. And then question 10, sorry, question 9, a bit different now, right? So we have to tread this carefully. So here it says Wendy has 2 times as many ribbons as Jillian. So start by drawing Wendy and Jillian, right? This portion here, right? And then Link has 3 times as many as Wendy. So here, when you say Link has 3 times, it's not 3 units anymore. It's 3 times of Wendy. So 3 times 2 unit is 3 times 2 units, right? Because Wendy has 2 units, is 6 units. So you got to draw 6, right? So show them, and then Link has 6 units. Okay, then after that, altogether they have 45, right? Draw this way. And okay, so how many units was 45? You can count, right? 9 units got 5. It's always about finding value 1 unit first. And after that, they should be able to answer all the other questions, right? How many ribbons does each girl have? Jillian 1 unit, find out what is 1 unit. Wendy has 2 units, find out what's 2 units. And Link has 6 units, find out what's 6 units. And then you get the answer. Okay. And one last question here, 15. Right, take them through this. $12 and 3 times as much as each cake. Okay, so all right, yeah. Okay, and let me see. I think that's about it, right? Let's move on to book 2. Okay, so book 2 is also multiplication and division, but this time around it is more than it involves double digit. Okay, or triple digit, I think, maybe more. Let's see. We start up by doing question. Now, since you already taught them, how to do it early on, okay, so it's quite similar. It's just dealing with more digits. Get them to do this on their own, right? Ask them to draw this up. Okay, so no need to demonstrate. Make sure that they're able to do this on their own, right? And then try doing question 2 as well. Okay, so they should know how to do this. 7 large boxes. 7, 18 in each box. All right, I believe they should be able to do this. And then after that, that's part A. Part B is she then packed as many apples as she could into bags of 6. Okay, so no need draw bar model, right? Because this one is division. So the total divided by 6 packs, right? How many? Sorry, the total divided by total number of apples divided by 6 packs. Oh no, not 6 packs, 6 apples, right? Because into bags of 6. Okay, so it's 93, and then 2 apples are not packed, or 2 apples are kept for herself, right? Yeah. Let's see. I think we can skip some of this question since they've already done it. We'll go through this question with them. Number 3. Each restaurant seats up to 8 people. 104, so it books a restaurant for 114. 114 divided by 8. What's the number of tables? Answer is 14, but 14 would not be enough, right? Because 14 means 2 person will not have any seats, will not have any table to join. So it's actually 14 plus 1. Okay, right, take them to this this question. And then question 5. All right, I am okay, yeah, do question 4 with them. Sorry, question 5 with them. Right, take them through, demonstrate. Okay, and let's see. All right, now this question I mentioned in last week's video guide. So we got to do it differently, right? So remember, I suggest that we do it this way instead. Okay, so 1 teacher, 2 red markers, 3 blue markers. In total, 1 teacher has 5 markers. Right, so if it's 730 markers, so 730 divided by 5, right? And then you get the answer is 146 teachers. Okay, I don't think this method works, so probably not a good way to use this method, right? Yeah, so try not to use this one instead. Okay, go through that with them, and let's see. Okay, so question 10. Okay, maybe to test them out, right? Get them to do on their own, see whether they can draw on their own. Okay. Yeah, okay, so I think you can get them to try drawing this because it's the same one. Not same one, it's a similar concept. Red jersey is 3 times the number of blue jersey. So red jersey, you don't draw 3 nits, but it's 3 times of blue, right? So it's 3 times blue. Okay, see whether they can do this on your own. And that's it for these 2 books. This week's topic. Thank you.